In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the clock behind part of the image on your lock screen, just like you see in this example right here. So let's get started. Unlock your phone, and you got to find the image in your image app or download an image from somewhere. The photo you want to pick has something in the foreground, something in the background. If it's just a flat image, it's not going to work. It can be landscape images, it could be flowers, it could be your dog, it could be whatever you want. I have mini me right here, and as we can see, he's in the foreground, and then there's the wall in the background. Go to your image, tap on the share icon, and then tap on Use as Wallpaper. And here we see the clock. That little bubble on the right side there allows us to drag and drop it. So we have the clock behind the part of the image that's in the foreground. If we drag it down too far, it's going to go in front because the iPhone knows that too much of the clock is obscured and you can't read the time anymore. So it's got to be the appropriate size. If you want it to be full screen like that, you can double pinch and zoom out of your image to make the image smaller as well. You can't go super small. You can only go as small as the image allows, or you can go bigger. But you can adjust it with double pinch and adjusting the clock to get it just right, just how you want it. You also want to make sure you tap on these three dots and make sure depth effect is turned on. And that's what allows these layers so you can put the clock behind the image. Let's put him a little more in the center if we can. That's pretty good. And then tap on Add. Now we can set as Wallpaper Pair, which goes as the home screen and the lock screen. So now when I lock my phone, there he is, mini me in front of the clock. I hope this video helps you. If it does, let me know by liking and subscribing because that really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. I know it sounds strange, but it's got to be done. So check out that video and I'll see you there.